Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, we are going to talk about the curvature tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. To me, curvature tool, which is located just under the pen tool, is pretty underused tool in Adobe Illustrator simply because we already have the pen tool using which we can draw any shape that we want. But curvature tool is also a pretty good tool. So let's see how we can use the curvature tool effectively. So I will apply any color to this shape. So first of all, we have a look at the regular usual add and minus tool. So add anchor point tool, and let's see if I click over here. So the point is created in this particular area. Now using the direct selection tool, I can change the shape, and using this option over here, I can convert this to a curve like this, and using the handles we can make this shape smoother. But using the curvature tool, we can create even smoother tool or smoother shape rather, like this. So instead of adding the anchor point and using the direct selection tool, you can simply use the curvature tool and we can click and create the point, anchor point, and we can create a smooth curve. Like if you compare with this tool, we can see this is more smooth or smoother like this. Not only this, using the curvature tool we can add anchor point. We can also convert the anchor point into straight line. Double click. If you double click, it will convert any anchor point into either curve, or if it is already curved, then into a straight line. So this is a 3-in-1 tool, we can say. So we don't have to go back and forth with those tools like add anchor point and pen tool. So we can simply add anchor points using the same tool. I will undo this. Add anchor point, curvature tool, add anchor point. We can change the shape as well, and again if we double click, we can convert the points into either curve or straight line. If I double click, it will become curve. Again double click, straight line. So we don't have to spend too much time. So what happens if you are creating any logo or any shape, our momentum gets broken if we go back and forth between different tools. So this is pretty good to keep our momentum. This is curve, double click, straight line. Again we can add. The only thing we cannot do using the curvature tool is delete an anchor point. So apart from that, we can do almost anything. And as you can see, if you compare these two, this creates smoother curves as compared with the regular pen tool or the add anchor point tool. So I think people should use more of the curvature tool to create smoother shapes and to save a lot of our time. So I hope you start using the curvature pen tool to create some really cool smoother shapes. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video and find this video useful. If you do, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.